Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. Before you watch this video, I will suggest you to watch the previous video so that you can better understand that. Now, the first question says, if x is belongs to n, find the solution set of any equation 3x minus 2 less than 19 minus 4x. Now, our x is what belongs to n. We have to solve this inequation. To solve any inequation or equation, all the time we do as all the variables will bring one side, the constant values will take other side of the inequation. So now what I am going to do, this minus 4x I will take other side of the inequation. So that is, you will get 3x plus 4x. This minus 4x, when you take other side of the inequation, that is, you will get plus 4x. This minus 2 I am taking other side of the inequation. 19 plus 2. Now minus 2 when you take other side of the inequation, that will become the positive. 3x plus 4x, 7x less than 21. The left side of the inequation, right side of the inequation, we can divide by 7. So both in this inequation we can see that 7 is the factor. So we can divide by 7. Or we can say, here it is in the product form. When I take other side of the inequation, that will come to the division. That way also we can write. Otherwise, directly can cancel also. 7 1s are, 7 3s are. This also we can do it. So x less than 3. Now you got it as a solution, x less than 3 as an inequation. Now our question is what? We have to find the solution set. So solution set is what? X is less than 3, x is belongs to natural numbers. X is belongs to natural number. So what are the natural number less than 3? 1, 2. That's the answer. Now we'll go to the next question. So next question. Solve inequation 12 plus 1 5 upon 6x less than or equal to 5 plus 3x. X is belongs to R. Now when x is belongs to R, now here what is the solution for this? Now what I am going to do, so 12 I am writing as is, this mixed fraction write into the improper fraction. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 5, you will get the 11 upon 6x less than or equal to 5 plus 3x. Now what I am going to do, I will bring all the x values one side of the inequality and constant value other side of the inequality. So 12 minus 5 less than or equal to 3x minus 11x upon 6. Next what I am going to do, 12 minus 5 you will get 7 less than or equal to. Now here you take it as a LCM. LCM is what? 6. So you need to think denominator 1 is there. So 1 is how many times divisible in 6? 6 times. 6 multiplied by 3x, 18x minus 11x. So 7 less than or equal to 7x upon 6. So both the side in the numerator we can see 7. That means we can cancel the 7. 7 7 we can make the cancellation. 1 less than or equal to x upon 6. Like apply like cross multiplication. When you apply like cross multiplication, what you are going to get it? 6 less than or equal to x. 6 less than or equal to x. The same thing we can write the x is greater than or equal to 6 also we can write. So now this is our solution for this equation. So next I am going to explain representation of the solution on the number line. So how we are going to plot the solution on the number line. Now previous questions, 2 questions I have explained. These 2 questions only it will give the foundation for the what the actual questions we supposed to solve for the board examination. Now here is what represent the solution on the number line. First I am going to explain the basic part. After that I am going to explain the actual questions which they ask in the board examination. Now look at the question. X less than 2. X less than 2. So this is my solution. For example, if I have to plot it on the number line, how I am going to plot it on the number line? X less than 2. Now at least one number you take before this. So I'll write it as a 0, 1, 2. I wrote it here. Now our question is what? X less than 2. Whenever you see less than, whenever you see less than or greater than, you need to write polar circle. Whenever you see less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, you need to write it as a thick circle. Now our question is what? X less than 2. So I am writing as a, at the 2 I am keeping the whole circle because here it is a less than sign. So this solution I am going to show for the X is belongs to R. X is belongs to R means real numbers. So what are the real numbers less than 2? There are infinite numbers. Because less than 2 there are the negative numbers also. In that case what we are going to do? Shade this number line. We are going to shade this number line. Now similarly, if the question is asked X is greater than 2. If X is greater than or equal greater than 2, then what I am going to write is 0, 1, 2, 3. So put the whole circle, shade this part. We are going to shade this part. If for example, if the question is asked minus 2 less than or equal to X less than 5. This is the question. So in this case what you are going to do? You will write as a minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now our question is what? Minus 2. At the minus 2, I am going to write the thick circle or shaded circle. Because here less than or equal to. At the 5, you put the whole circle. The shade this between this part. Shade between this part. This is on the number line we are applying for the X belongs to R. All the cases we apply for the X belongs to R. The following questions I am going to explain if X belongs to the natural numbers, X belongs to the whole number, if X belongs to the integer. So there I am going to explain the details. I hope you understood this concept. So look at the next one. Find the range of the values of X which satisfies minus 2, 2 upon 3 less than or equal to X plus 1 upon 3 less than 3, 1 upon 3, X belongs to R. So this question we have to find the solution. After finding solution we have to plot it on the number line. So this question asked in 2007. 2007 board examination they asked. So this question we can solve it in two ways. I am going to explain the both the ways. Whichever you feel comfortable you can follow it. Now what is our question? First I will write it into the improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 minus 8 upon 3 less than or equal to, here I am going to take it as LCM. What is LCM? 3. 3 multiplied by X, 3X plus 1 less than 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. 10 upon 3. So now if you notice, this inequation, all the places the denominator is what? 3 is there. All the places we can notice denominator is 3 is there. So that means I am going to multiply by 3 in all the places. When I multiply by 3, multiplication 3, denominator 3 is cancelled. Here also multiplication 3, denominator 3 cancelled. Multiplication 3, denominator 3, it will be cancelled. Otherwise simply we can say cut the denominator. So now what is going to remain here? Minus 8 less than or equal to 3x plus 1 less than 10. Now what I am going to do, now listen carefully. This plus 1 I am taking other side of the inequation. This plus 1 when I take other side of the inequation, the sign changes. Minus 8 minus 1 less than or equal to 3x is remaining here. This 1 you are taking other side also. This 1 you are taking other side also. That is you will get 10 minus 1. That is you will get 10 minus 1. So whenever you are solving any equation, whatever the middle terms is there, you are going to apply it for the both the side. You will take the left side of the inequation, right side of the inequation also. Now minus 9 less than or equal to 3x less than 9. This entire equation we can divide by 3. Minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 3. This is the solution set. Now how many steps we have written? This is the question. 1, 2, 3. We can skip this also. 3, 4 steps. In the 4 steps, if you solve it, you are going to get the 3 or 4 marks. It is a very simple one. So now I am going to plot it on the number line. Now I am going to plot it on the number line. Look at carefully. So at least one number you take before this. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At least one number you take more than this. Now our question is what? X is belongs to R. Whenever you are plotting on the R, now what you are going to do? Now look at the question carefully. Minus 3. At the minus 3 I have to write Tik Satyam because it is less than or equal to. Now less than 3 because 3 is not included. Now shade this part. You are going to shade this part. This is the solution for this question. This is the solution for this question. I am going to explain other method. I am going to explain other methods. Now I am going to explain same question in other method. Now I will explain in another method. Now look at carefully this one. So this is the inequation equality. Now what I am going to do? So I will take this this part is one equation. Minus 8 upon 3 less than or equal to 3x plus 1 divided by 3. Now the left side of the inequation, right side of the inequation I am cancelling with the 3. I will get minus 8 less than or equal to 3x plus 1. This plus 1 you take other side of the inequation. Then that will be minus 1. Minus 8 minus 1 you will get minus 9 less than or equal to 3x. This entire inequation we can divide by 3. Minus 3 less than or equal to x. This is the first part. Now the second part is this. Second part what you are going to apply? 3x plus 1 upon 3 less than 10 upon 3. So that means middle part you are going to take both those directions. Now simplify. This inequation we can divide by 3. 3x plus 1 less than 10. So both the side of the inequation we divided by 3. So this one you take other side of the inequation. 3x less than, when we take one other side, 1 will become the minus. 10 minus 1 we will get 9. So entire inequation divided by 3. X less than 3. Now after finding this, now this solution we have to write together. So that is how we are going to write it. Minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 3. The first inequation I wrote it here. The second inequation I joined it. Because x is the common for both the things. X is for the common for both the things. Now look at here. I will explain you once again. First we have written it to the inequation. After writing it to the improper fraction, entire inequation we divided by 3. When we multiplied by 3, denominator is cancelled. The next one what I am going to do, the middle term I have taken the left side and right side also. Minus 9 less than or equal to 3x less than 9. Entire inequation I divided by 3. So this solution I plotted on the number line. If in this method also, I have taken the first two values one side, other two values other side. Now entire inequation I multiplied by 3. Then I got minus 8 less than or equal to 3x plus 1. This one you take other side. Minus 9 less than or equal to 3x. This entire inequation we can divide by 3. Minus 3 less than or equal to x. Similarly, entire inequation multiplied by 3. When you multiply by 3, 3x plus 1 less than 10. This one you take other side of the inequation. Then it will be 10 minus 1, it will become the 9. So entire inequation we divided by 3. So both the things merging. So the same thing you are writing as for the number line. You can choose this method or this method. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can follow it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe it and share it.